Hello guys, in this video, we will talk about VirtualBox and Proxmox and help you decide which virtualization software is better in 2025. So let's begin with VirtualBox. It is a free and open source Type 2 hypervisor developed by Oracle. It's mainly used for desktop virtualization, running guest operating systems on your local machine for testing, development, or education. Proxmox V, on the other hand, is an enterprise-class Type 1 hypervisor based on Debian Linux. It supports both KVM virtualization and LXC containers, and it's used for creating full virtual server infrastructures. So let's compare both of them. Number one, use case. VirtualBox is ideal for personal or light testing environments. It is easy to install and manage from a desktop, while Proxmox is designed for production level use, especially in home labs, businesses, or data centers that needs centralized VM and container management. Number 2, features. Proxmox has clustering, web-based GUI, backups, live migration, and storage integrations such as ZFS, Ceph, and etc. While VirtualBox is limited to basic VM features and doesn't offer clustering or containers. Number 3, performance. Proxmox, being a bare metal hypervisor, offers significantly better performance, lower latency, and efficient resource handling, while VirtualBox runs on top of an OS, so it's more resource heavy and less efficient. Number 4, learning curve. VirtualBox is easier for beginners, while Proxmox requires some Linux knowledge, but its GUI simplifies things a lot once you are past the initial setup. Number 5, community and support. Both are supported by active communities, while Proxmox offers enterprise support and VirtualBox has more forum-based help. So in short, you can use VirtualBox for quick desktop virtualization and testing small VMs. And you can choose Proxmox if you need a scalable production-ready virtual infrastructure. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.